And you can use the Clarion shampoo. It smells so good. And if you miss any of the sun, put some of the leftovers on. Yeah, then it... No, you were human. Yeah.
Says stay all day, right? The light, so you go home at night. Now they're at night. It's somewhere correct. And some of them well,
Oh, Wharton. I'm sorry. I thought you said Wharton. And where are you from?
I'm from Mount Arlington.
Where?
Mount Arlington.
Don't know where that one is. E-R-L-I-N-G too.
Arlington.
Here's Mom.
Yeah, I like the ruddy. I like that red.
Ready for it. Steady Holland Cats, 241 and 242. Now ring 4, 241 and 242. Ring 4. At 249 to ring 4, 249 to ring 4, please.
Right. I just took one yesterday.
This is a third and final call on Devin Rex, 227. Second call on 238, 239. Second call 238, 239.
Sarah.
Yeah, it's different than you think. I suppose you roasted and cold,
Liberian 128 to ring 4, 128 to ring 4, please.
Now, what are you looking at? I know, but I'm missing my ring. Sorry.
Thank you so much.
Probably got more than that.
For all the awards, that's stage him, please.
Name Coon Alter 308. Third call to rate 1. Name Coon Alter 308. Third call, rate 1.
Oh, they made that would have huge.
Call for 238, 239, 223, and 225. Ring.
Doesn't mean they're not using the cats as a championship cat. It just means that for whatever reason they are not being used in training programs, and some of us are lucky enough to have these cats and show them. So it's a really nice class. They're beautiful cats. I'm going to do all the trees up here. They have a little part in the boy, and they have a few parts in the girl. You really like cats. They're really great. All my things stuff, so they're very good.
This is ring 5. This is a fourth final call. Looking for Russian Blues, 238, 239, please.
207 to ring 4, 206 and 207, ring 4.
21 through 31, ring 3.
This is ring 5. We're looking for the remainder of the short hair championship cats, looking for 236 through 249. 236 to 249, please.
Ring 2 needs,
Okay, it's okay. I got the 11th ring.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Have you been to this?
Bengals 208, 209, and 211. You're needed in ring 4. 208, 209, and 211 to ring 4, please.
He doesn't like my cat. These are very family oriented.
21 and 322 to ring 1, 321 and 322, ring 1.
What's going on, Busy? Is that it?
Okay, so they don't have...
Right.
All right, next week you're going to ask me to do that. So I want
Both going to be absent. 70 and 71 are both absent for the rest of the day.
Let's go.
Cats 209 through 214 to ring 4. 209 through 214 to ring 4, please.
We're still waiting, two authors, 367 and 369 in ring number 2.
Look at her.
367,
You're dusty.
369, ring number 2.
They always look the way, anyway, but the way you want. Oh, how pretty. He's trying to take a picture. Yeah. I can't help you, Molly.
Now that's the cinnamon.
No, it's the teal sepia spotted Bengal.
Ring 3 needs ragdoll kits 34, and we'd like to see short hair kits 51.
Forget the 8.
This is ring 5. Again, we're looking for Persian championship cats. 118 and 119, please. Third call.
Moshi?
Got a quick break.
355 to ring 1, 355, 351 through 354. Ring 1.
We are flying. Feline has all their stuff. They know what doing.
Hang on.
That's what I was doing. You want to go talk it down?
Let me sit down.
Yeah,
Sorry.
I'm working on it.
Still there. Yes.
Isn't he cute?
Mark?
Ring 5 is now ready for long hair championship cats 122 through 126. 122 through 126.
356 through 359. Second call on 354. Ring 1.
Oh, good.
She's very content.
Yeah.
Don't stop to talk to anybody.
I was on my way too. Remind me this is what I was doing.
It's been a long weekend.
Fine, it's such a terrible thing to lose.
Again, Ring 5 is looking for 122 through 129. Long hair championship cats 122 through 129 to Ring 5.
What is it?
What did you do with my cat? I don't know. Let me
No, we answered the same thing. No, because we're showing the numbers great, and you don't get a lot of the judges' feedback.
That's true.
And I was always curious to hear what they have to say about the cat.
Short hair household tennis ball.
And everyone's trying to raise the
Final on ring 6. Short hair household tennis ball on ring 6. Check number.
They don't have to match mine. Oh, okay, so that's what we did then. But your help with it. Oh, I didn't. She arrived a month before.
Oh, she's special.
Yep. Thank you, that's right. Thank you for this.
Ring 4 would like to see Bengals 215 and 216, please. 215 and 216 to ring number 4.
Ring 5 is still looking for Ragdoll championship cats.
Yeah, we're running on time.
Iberian 128 and 129.
Healthypetnet.com.
Oh, well, that's good.
The website is Healthy Pet Night, and it's being a company called Thrill.
No byproduct.
It's so hard to grasp what they're doing with the judging. There's a couple judges that do.
For girls, 360 through 362, ring 1. 360 from 362, ring 1.
And then
Can you check with the rigs to see if they're running on time? Okay. See how many who's got what left. The problem with the bridges one is that it doesn't give you a lot of flexibility in your foot stays. But I need a car for it. But then the problem is when it gets stiff hour after hour after hour and not moving your ankle, moving everything else around.
Plumbing work 12 hours on Sunday. He just goes right up and does 12 hours by himself. Because they had somebody that was under him and they're working instead of him. So he could go out of time. And that's what he was doing. Double time and a half and triple times on Sundays. You know, I mean, triple time on at that point was like $150, $55 an hour.
54.
So a lot of these guys were having all their overtime.
54,
like 5 days a week.
I'd like to take away
Well, I'm going to figure it out. Here. You want to Hey there, Stalk Baby. You want to wake up to this?
And we should, because the delivery was great, we give a tip.
Yeah. Where's your feather? I know I'm going to annoy you and wake you up. He said, I don't like these two-day shows. I was ready to go home after yesterday. Don't even think about it, Mommy. I'm not going to look. I'm not going to look. I want to go home. No, I want to go home. I want to go back to the hotel and go to bed. That's actually his thing. Maybe you'll do better with Harlem over there.
Oh, you can fill your own bed for breakfast?
You get a box like that.
Oh, okay.
For the hot dogs. And it's cold when it's
Yeah, I saw that. Okay.
219 to ring 4, 219 to ring 4, please.
Hey there. Hi there.
What kind of dippy? You don't know what kind of dippy it is?
All right, I'll try it.
There he is.
Thanks a lot.
Say hi.
Give me one with
Looks like that. Now, you want to dip it.
He's got a bigger banana than Stalk.
Yeah, that started. We started this. Nobody knows.
Are you doing a movie?
But you know my favorite.
Diced up chow fun.
I think it looks like catfish.
Oh, yeah. Or do you want that?
You don't need to be dealing with zombie.
Because it wasn't busy. Mike was the one who three was like on this side, it doesn't bring them. Was that what you find the afternoon? Go to the double doors to your right to the bed.
always.
She said that's so nice. I don't know, that's what you see. So and if you go into the bag.
I love the tickle feet.
Short girl for 364, 366, turn 1, 364.
He's falling asleep out there.
Bugatti. Bugatti. Bugatti.
He can't keep his eyes open. He's falling asleep.
Well, it doesn't look like he's up.
He can't keep his eyes open.
And I did watching a movie. No, it's a brown one.
can't wait to know that. Last week I was home. That's right. And not let myself into
Bonnie, once you have
no one. And this is plastic. Well, look, I like. No, I wouldn't really. Where's your ruffle plaything? They really want one.
For anything over $20, I take credit cards. Anything under that, cash.
Okay.
And it's $9.95, and there's no tax on that. No. They're just grouped together. Well, there's that many silver. The reason why it's a little expensive is Jones Silver and the Divorce Crystal. Oh, is it? Yeah.
It stays in the box.
Jones Silver right now is
together.
almost $15 an ounce.
Is it now?
Do you have more of these with you, or is that the only one? No, actually, let me check.
That's in it, probably, because that's in the front of the favorite. What? I have no idea.
Good, it was in the room. The other one said one photo.
Related on it.
Oh, you're stretching. That would have been a good shot.
I went more piping, Jim. So you can see how pretty I am. Yeah.
But you can see the pattern. You can see the pattern.
Look.
Oriental short hair?
Go ahead.
Probably.
There we go.
Look at eyes.
You got it?
Yes.
Simba, how are your peanut coladas now?
I think Dog is smaller than Simba. Well, Chloe's smaller than Simba.
Long hair kittens 1 through 13 are in 6. Long hair kittens 1 through 13 are in 6. And can we have the PA system people come during 6 also?
Vaccination history. That's what it's for.
Did you like Jesus? Yeah. Okay. I'm not so fond of this one.
Spotty. That's your camera. You and Lainey. Lainey loves sharp cheese. She likes soft sharp cheese like that. Here. Here. This one. What a good kitty. Of course. Fan, look the other way. Squiggle. Hold still. Can't see your face that way. You gonna turn upside down here?
359 and 360 are all named range 4. Range 4 has a second call on cat 356. 356 you need in range 4.
We need a PA people for the night tonight for range 6. people in ring 6, TA people in ring 6, because our microphone.
That'd be a legal limit.
So we're going to get ready.
In ring number 2, long-term also is...
No, I had a baby mommy breathing.
Who?
Really?
Two long-term? Also, 4 rings. Missing from the final. Ring number 2.
Come on back. Photo op. You. No photo op.
Yes.
Open your eyes. Twerp.
It's a different look.
I'm ignoring this camera. So bad, Kat. Because I just got photographed. And why are we photographing this?
Try it. If it works.
Ring 3 has the second call for 66, 67, and 78. 66, 67, 78. Ring 3.
Cat 365 to ring 4, 365 to ring 4. 19 to ring 6, 19 to ring 6. 313 and 316, you need a ring 4. 313 and 316 to ring 4, also 315 to ring 4. Final call on Cat 308 to ring 4.
Second call to also Petit 463.
So make sure you check your flags from the Albury Ulster final. Somebody took the wrong one.